The Chevrolet Silverado is a name that resonates with power, reliability, and innovation. It's not just a truck, it's a testament to American engineering and a reflection of the values that drive us forward. For over 2 decades, the Silverado has been a staple on roads, job sites, and off-road trails, earning its place as one of the most trusted and respected trucks in the world. Its rugged design combined with cutting-edge technology makes it a versatile tool for both work and adventure. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, navigating challenging terrains, or simply enjoying a smooth ride, the Silverado delivers unmatched performance and dependability. What makes the Silverado truly special is its ability to adapt to the needs of its drivers. With a range of engine options, including powerful V8s and fuel-efficient turbocessels, it offers something for everyone. The towing and payload capabilities are second to none, making it a favorite among contractors, farmers, and outdoor enthusiasts. But it's not just about raw power. The Silverado also prioritizes comfort and convenience. Its spacious interior, advanced infotainment system, and driver assistance features ensure that every journey is as enjoyable as it is efficient. Chevrolet has also embraced the future with the Silverado, introducing hybrid and all-electric models that combine sustainability with performance. This forward-thinking approach ensures that the Silverado remains relevant in an ever-changing world while still staying true to its roots as a tough, dependable truck. Beyond its technical specs, the Silverado represents a way of life. It's the truck that helps build dreams, whether it's constructing a home, running a business, or exploring the great outdoors. It's a symbol of hard work, perseverance, and the pursuit of excellence. In every Silverado, there's a story waiting to be told, a story of determination, ambition, and the American spirit. It's a vehicle that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it empowers you to achieve more, go further, and dream bigger. The Chevrolet Silverado is more than a truck. It's a legacy, a partner, and a reflection of the values that define us. And as it continues to evolve, one thing remains certain. The Silverado will always be a symbol of strength, innovation, and the relentless drive to move forward.